Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In last video, we talked about channels in Golang and we saw unbuffered channel. Let's cover buffered channels in this video. So let's dive in. Buffered channels have a specified capacity and can hold some data. When a value is sent to a buffered channel, it is stored in the buffer if there is some space available. If the buffer is full, the sending goroutine blocks until space becomes available. When a value is received from a buffered channel, it is taken from the buffer if there are any values present. If the buffer is empty, the receiving goroutine blocks until a value is sent to the channel. Now, let us look at the syntax to create a buffered channel. Syntax is almost similar to unbuffered channel and we just need to pass a second argument which sets the capacity of the channel. Now, let's say goroutine 1 is sending some data on a buffered channel of capacity 3. As you can see, all the three values, that is 10, 12 and 13, will be stored in the channel and no blocking will take place. Hence, we are getting our first print statement, that is text 1. Now, let's say goroutine 1 want to send another value on the channel, but you can see channel is full and now goroutine 1 will be blocked until some other goroutine fetches the data from the channel. Let's say after some time goroutine 2 fetches the data from the channel. This will make our channel length equals to and 15 will be inserted into the channel and goroutine 1 will be unblocked. Now we will get our second output, that is text 2. In this program we will understand how buffered channel works and when they gets blocked. Basically we are going to code what we saw in our animation. So let's create our channel first. So I am creating a buffer channel of size 3. Now we will create a sender function to send some data on this channel. Let's pass this channel to the function. Now let's pass three values to the channel. Let's add a print statement after sending the data. Now we will try to send one more data to the channel. Let's import the FMT package. To block the execution of our main function until goroutine finishes, we will use time.sleep. Let's add time package. Let's run our code and see the output. As you can see, we are not getting our second print statement because after inserting three values, our channel becomes full and when we try to insert fourth value, sender goroutine gets blocked. So let's create one more goroutine which fetches the data from the channel. Let's fire this goroutine after sender and see what happens. Again, we need to add time.sleep after receiver. Let's run our code again and see the output. As you can see, once the data is fetched, we are getting our second print statement in receiver as it gets unblocked.